Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to mute or silent volume only for particular software without muting system volume in Windows PC. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by playing one audio.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials.
So right now you can hear the audio. So in order to mute or silent volume only for this particular application, what you need to do is just click on the volume icon on your computer taskbar, and now you can see one icon here. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now just click on the respective icon where you want to mute the volume. Say I want to mute it for Microsoft Edge web browser. Just click on the respective icon. Now you can see a volume mute icon appearing. So now let me try to replay the audio. So now you can see it's playing, but you won't be able to hear the audio. So finally it's working perfectly. So if you want to unmute it again, just once again click on this volume icon on your computer taskbar and just click on this icon again. Just scroll down below again. Now just click on the respective app icon again to unmute it. And if you want to directly access this option, then just place your mouse cursor on the volume icon on your computer taskbar and just right mouse click on it, and you can just select this open volume mixture, and here you can directly click on this volume icon to mute this respective particular software. You can see here, and if you click it again, it will unmute it. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily mute or silent volume only for particular software without muting system volume in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.